Hello and welcome to all my subscribers to my YouTube channel. Today's topic, electrical talk. Electrical can sometimes be very risky to most people. Without the knowledge, that's why we always recommend to hire a licensed electrical contractor to perform the work. Why is that? Because it's the law. Electrical power is nothing to play around with. Just like we have the movie with Clint Eastwood, The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly. Well, it's the same thing with electrical. We have the good. What does that mean? It simply means when you follow the electrical code book and you wire your home or a commercial building to code. No shortcuts, no messing around. Every circuit is not to its max capacity. Then you should not have an issue with anything. What does the bad means? The bad simply means that you have wired a home or a commercial unit without even verifying the code book. You will then get what's called dirty power, meaning the power is now reacting to the way it was wired. If the circuits are overloading and working extra hard than normal, you will start to get overheating, neutral not being balanced at all, arcing from certain outlets. So it's very important to wire to code. Now we have the ugly, which is simply you have done everything that can make the power react as soon as it's powered on. Maybe a pinch in the service cable, maybe a feeder wire touching against the panel, just waiting for the power to be turned on and for something to go wrong. To me, it is very important to take pride in the work you do. And to never rush your job, because that's when it will likely happen. Electrical I have always respected along my years of working, never the one for shortcuts. I have also learned if you respect the electrical power, it will respect you back. And for this reason I say always respect and treat it with care. If you like this video, please leave a comment in the comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my videos.